Hi, I'm Andreas from iGrow. We are building the world's largest organic farm funded by you. My mother's family were farmers, but they have problem to get proper income because they don't have enough money, don't have enough capital and land. And they are not alone. In Indonesia, there are millions underemployed farmers, while in other side, there are millions acres underutilized land and millions people ready to participate in farming. That's why we create iGrow. We connect between the farmers, landowners, and investors together to create farming and sell the crop directly to the customers. We are raising capital from you through our website and give you farm feel-like experience so that you can know how your plantation grow. And after the harvest time, we share the profit among investors and farmers. Just from peanut alone, we already harvested 1,600 tons of produce that brings 24% annualized return to the investors, and 99% of them reinvested in us. Since launching 19 months ago, we already profitable by making $1.2 million GMV, and we take 20% of that for our profit. Currently, we are working with 2,200 farmers in 3,000 acres underutilized land. We already made our farmers' life better, and we changed the way how we utilize our idle land. We are in Indonesia with 27 million acres underutilized land, and we already have 24,000 acres in our pipeline. We are also ready to scale to another country. Our team consists of serial tech entrepreneur, 10 years experience in agriculture, and the expert in land partnership. Together with landowners, farmers, and you, let us build the world's largest organic farm by making our world a better place. Interested with iGrow? Please come talk to us. Thank you.